Hey guys, it's your boy the Dragon 9. I'm here at. You found what? Check it out, guys. This is a fossil.
It has bones in it.
Hey, Desi, say hi.
Hi!
This is my stepsister, or I'll just say sister, Desi. She's basically one of the triplets.
Yeah, he wouldn't go because he's too lazy.
Don't listen to her. She's
No, I'm not!
yeah, just don't listen to her, guys. Hey, we're at a beach. We're trying to explore the place.
Did you just drop mine?
Run! Run for my life! Ah! No.
Let me go get it.
Oh, really? You want to say that? Come here, Desi. Alright, guys. So, me and my sister, Desi, are just exploring around, trying to find something interesting. Dang shoelaces. You know you always have to hate. I said dang it.
Why'd you have to come into the fight?
What?
What?
I don't know what she just said. No, it ain't.
Where is any fossils? No, ow!
Oh, you got a cramp?
Oh, it is. I hit myself like that and it hit.
Oh my gosh, you put a rock in there.
Yeah.
Check out this hill, guys. It's basically kind of
So cool.
what you like.
It's kind of like New Mexico colors.
Yeah. Holy shoot. Guys, I think we found a jackpot wood. I think we might have found a fort.
Hi.
Come on, let's go check it out.
Hey. Ah.
Yep, that's definitely a fort right there, guys. Hold on. Yep, someone's trying to make a fort.
Wait.
Or as you can see here, there's no sea creatures, no crabs, no sharks, nothing. It's kind of disappointing, but at the same time, it's kind of weird.
Oh my gosh.
What?
This is cool.
That's a yarn ball.
It's not a yarn ball, you imbecile.
Okay, I think that's a tennis ball.
It's literally a ball that dogs play with. It's a tennis ball.
No, never mind. That isn't. That's just
We
a.
can still check it out, right?
Yeah, let's check it out. Never mind, that isn't a fort. But we're still checking it out anyway.
Anyway, who cares?
Yeah. Looks like someone was trying to make a fort. Yeah. It looks like grass took over. Let's keep exploring.
Look at me. I have long hair.
Yeah, you have one.
By the way, subscribe to Ethan for no reason.
Yeah. Just subscribe. Don't just say for no
Subscribe to
reason.
Ethan99.
Yes,
Like
thank
the
you.
description too.
I don't think I have descriptions.
Whatever. I don't. Just
Let's-
like and subscribe.
Yep.
Leave a comment on this video on how bad or good it is.
Don't listen
Say
to
it's so bad.
don't listen to my sister. She sometimes say that. Right now we're They're like way far away from the other side. Yeah, so you can see right there.
Yeah.
Looks like some. Wait, what's that over there? Hold on.
What?
Yeah. Oh, it's just a bottle. What did you found?
It's another one.
Another fossil?
Yeah.
Let me see it. What? It's like a dino egg.
Yeah, kind of.
What?
I
What
found
did you...
another. It has so many big fossils in it.
All right, put that in there. Yeah. Wait, isn't that mine?
What?
That hoodie.
No. This isn't yours.
I feel like that's mine.
Well, it's mine. Stop. Liar.
Oh,
Look
my.
around.
Oh my god. It looks like the shore isn't that big right now or anything. We're just checking. Yeah?
We might need to leave it a little. It's getting a little heavy.
Yeah. We're probably gonna leave soon, guys. Right now we're just like checking out. Holy shoot. It is. Come here and check this out. Desi, come here. How many?
Guys, look at how many fossils I found.
That's a lot of fossils. Desi, hold the camera for a minute. I claim this land to let you know, guys, to like and subscribe. And to make sure you do, I'm going to do something.
What are you doing? Ethan Dragon 99. ED for Ethan Dragon. Just shut up.
Camera back.
Don't subscribe.
Do subscribe, guys. All right, I think that's it for now. We're probably we're gonna have.
Happy April Fools.
It's not April Fools. It's April. It's April 4th.
It was. It's idiots. Hopefully you pranked your moms and dads.
I already made a video of that. At least I think I already made it too. All right, guys. I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. There's gonna be a short of this posted.
And there's gonna be more videos coming soon.
Possibly. I'm also thinking about getting ready to start my own merch soon. I don't know when. All right. I don't know when it's gonna happen, but make sure to like and subscribe. And before you guys go, check out the beautiful waves and peace.